Hello, once again, we are back. So today, mine is just a question. Can you tell me, have you find yourself in a situation whereby you fall in love with someone who doesn't love you? So tell me in a comment section whereby have you find yourself in that situation? Where you find yourself forcing everything, conversation, text, calls. Ama, uko kwa hiyo relationship whereby you are forcing. Yeah. Can you tell me? Yeah, I myself I found several times. And that's why I came to realize that once invest on yourself. Here people outside pretend to love you, but they doesn't love you. Yeah, so it was back in last year where I found myself with a beautiful lady. Yeah, she was representing, she was amazing, she had everything, nyash, sura, like, yeah, hata mashara, mtoto unasikia, hata wewe uko nje unasikia, yeah, you're good in the house. Okay, there is this time whereby I called her and she told me she's busy, she will call me when she's finish up with what she was doing. Kube girl chad ako dates na my best friend. We nakwambia hiyo stuff ili ni hit. So have you ever found yourself in that situation whereby unagongewa na best friend yako ama your lady usually hang out with many of their best friend, your best friend? That situation is really bad. One time is utapata yourself investing on her. One, uta buy time, she isn't there. Another thing ni utapata most of the time she isn't happy with you, she's happy with others. So majamaa, acha tuambiane ukweli, hata you ladies there is people who you chase, boys who doesn't love you. So sijui kama ni naongea vizuri ama naongea what doesn't make sense, but guys, so literally you should invest yourself. You should invest on yourself. Achana hawa say when time of love comes it will hit you na utapata wako. Sasa una chase, una invest on her, on him, unapata literally you end up nothing, una break up. So guys, to invest on ourselves, achana na hizi vitu zingine. So comment hapo unataka kusemaje, uliachwa, ulijipata kwa the same situation ama ulipata, ama unajua tu guy when you're going to that situation. So tuelewane huku nje. Yeah, ni mbaya.